The given expression looks very complex and they are again asking for something complex only. But here's the key. You need to understand what is given to you and how you can simplify it. If you look at the given expression, you clearly see that there is a common denominator for two numerators, right? So let's split them out. I can write it as 2 upon a plus a upon a. All I'm doing is just splitting the denominator to two different numerators, okay? I'll do the same thing for the second one and the third one. 2 upon b plus b by b plus 2 upon c plus c upon c. Now, if you carefully see, then you have a and a, which gives you 1, b upon b is 1, and c upon c is also 1. If you look at the three terms here, the common numerator is there, which is 2. If I remove that outside, all I have is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Now, adding the three ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so plus 3, I can write that, equals to, it's already given to me in the question, it's equal to 4. So now I can solve the two numbers together, which gives me 2 times 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equals to 1. Now, what do we have is we can just take this 2 outside or 2 to the other side, gives me 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c, which is equal to half. Okay, now what's the question asking you? If you look at the question carefully, AB upon ABC, I can again do the same thing. I can split the denominator, and if I'll give it to them individually, you will see something really interesting because you have found out the answer already. Okay, just do it. If you want to simplify this, you clearly see that they are just the reciprocals. So what do I have? 1 by c, 1 by a, and 1 by b, which is just the reciprocal sum. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. That is something we already found from what the information was. I got that as half. So that happens to be my answer, half. That's it. So all you really need is to understand how is the question given to you and how are they asking particularly. That's it.